Hello everyone, you are on the Darkman channel. This channel is about wild natural animals, birds, mountains, and places where humans are only guests. No rush, no noise, no unnecessary words. If you are looking for a little silence, beauty in the living world, stay. I'll be glad if this channel becomes a place you want to come back to. Let's go! Today we'll talk about mallards. The mallard is the most famous wild duck. Almost everyone has seen this duck on ponds, rivers, and even in city parks. But few people know how amazing the mallard is. What is a mallard? The mallard is a wild duck, the ancestor of almost all domestic ducks. Its Latin name is platyrhynchos. It is one of the most common birds on the planet. Mallards live in Europe, in Asia, in North America, partly in Africa. They can be found in rivers, in lakes, in swamps, in ponds, even in city parks and canals. The main requirement is the presence of water. Do mallards migrate in winter? They are partially migratory. In warm regions, mallards remain for the winter. In cold regions, they fly south. Urban mallards often do not migrate at all if there is in frozen water and food. What does a mallard eat? Their diet is very varied. Plant food, algae, seeds, grass, grains, animal food, insects, larvae, worms, mollusks, small fish. The mallard is an omnivorous bird.
Adult mallard, body length 50 to 65 centimeters, wingspan 80 to 100 centimeters, weight 0.8 to 1.5 kilograms. Green circle male, drake, bright green head, white ring on neck, yellow bill, gray body. Brown circle female. Brownish mottled color, camouflages itself against the reeds. Dark bill, smaller and more subdued in color. This coloring helps the female hide while incubating her eggs. Mallard ducklings. The female lays 8 to 13 eggs, incubates for about 28 days. The ducklings are fluffy and sided, can swim within a few hours. The mother leads the ducklings to the water almost immediately after birth. Mallards adapt well to people, can live near cities, are one of the most intelligent waterfowl.
The mallard is a simple-looking duck, but has become the basis for all domestic ducks in the world.